breakfast now. For you.
Mimi is also going to school today.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like school?
Yeah. Dun, 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 dun.
Come on, finish your food. Eat your apple too, yeah? Louie boy! We'll see you soon enough. Alright, dropping these two girls to school. I like your outfit, my love. Looks so cute, baby girl.
I know that. You like? I like your dress.
You like my dress? Oh, I'm glad you like it. This is Mama B.
Oh, Mommy. I smell your breath.
Is it good smell?
Yeah?
Oh, that's good. Alright, let's go. Look! Look, big lang. Salamat.
Salamat. You say, how do you say the welcome in Korea?
Uway sa kayan.
Say, away sa piyan. Away sa piyan. Mama, today?
Today is Wednesday. Anak, don't close it. Yeah, anak. Celine is coming. Okay, baby girl. Okay, my love. Ooh. Oh. Are you warm, anak? Are you warm?
No.
Wait. Okay. You warm, ate?
I like
Hi. Find your jacket, okay? Z.
What's the letter before the last letter?
Hi.
Because I said so.
Okay, Karen.
I can't be quiet. I'm trying to carry you.
Okay, go. Have a good day, okay? Ito ang dahilan kung bakit lang mamadali ako kanina, guys. May hair appointment tayo. Oh, thank you.
Enjoy it.
Coffee pa silang ganap. Bongga. We'll just do partial foils. Some treatment para mabuhay ang ating buhok.
A few moments later.
That's the shape. That one's okay.
Grocery shopping na tayo ngayon, guys, kasi tapos na ang ating pa-hair. What do you think, guys? Sa kulay niya. Maganda naman, ano. I like it. So, ayan, nakabili na ako niyan. Alright guys, so kakauwi ko lang. It is currently 1:20 ng hapon. God, napaginaw sa labas guys. Alright, so nag-grocery ako, diba? Ayan. So we'll do all these things na kailangan kong gawin guys before natin pipick upin sa Paris kasi malapit na naman. My God, time flies. Anyways, I'm happy with my hair. Ito lang dito sa harapan, parang ewan ko. Ewan ko lang. But I'm happy with the kulay. Ayan. Alam niyo bang wala si Daddy Mike dito, guys? Umalis siya kahapon. So, he went to Melbourne for a business trip. And he'll be there for the next 3 days. Kaya, medyo busy-busy si mami niyo kasi alam niyo naman guys, kapag wala si Daddy Mike dito, like, akin lahat. So, but still, nagkaroon tayo ng time kanina guys na mag-ano ng buhok kasi napabook ko na to siya last month. And, kaya kaninang umaga, sobrang nag-rush ako kaya hindi na ako nakapag-vlog nung dinrap ko si Baby Celine after dropping at Paris. And, dumiretso na ako sa, sa hair salon kasi yung appointment ko 9 o'clock. And, alam niyo yung time, very limited yung time ni mami niyo. So, 9 o'clock, nakarating ako doon. I think 9:03 or 9:05. Ganun na naman. So, it was not very bad. So, yeah, done my hair. So, I'm very happy about it now. I've got all these things na we have to put away. So, bumili ako ng bread, pagkain ni Louie, milk, and then dinner tonight. Kasi nag-request si Baby Celine ng steak. So, we're going to have steak tonight. And then, actually, bibilisan ko to siya, guys. Kasi, pupunta pa ako sa shop natin. So, it's Wednesday today. Open yung shop. And, magdadala ako ng mga, replenish natin ang stock natin doon. Just in case nakabenta tayo. So, nakapag nakapag-tag na ako nito kagabi. So, alam niyo ba, natulog ako kagabi ng 2:30 na ata. Kasi hindi rin talaga ako nakakatulog ng mabuti guys kapag wala si Daddy Mike dito. So yung ginawa ko, nag-fold ng damit, naglaba ng damit, nag-hang ng damit. Oh my God. And then, nag-tags ako nito para ngayon, dadalhin ko na ito siya doon diretsyo. Ayan, pang ginaw na guys. I've got North Face jacket. Puffer. Isang ganitohan. Ayan. Just in case lang naman ba. And then pick up at Paris, and then Jiu-Jitsu, and then pick up Celine. Just, yeah, yung mga bagay-bagay na ganun, guys. Buti na yung nakapag-paganda tayo ng hair, guys, para, pagbalik ni Daddy Mike, uy, maganda ang misis ko, di ba? Ganun. Iniwan kaya nagpaganda, di ba? Pero hindi yung iniwan ha? Iniwan ba kayo? Kailangan maghanap ng pera. Business trip yun kay Daddy Mike guys. Kailangan niyang punta doon. And while he's in Melbourne, sabi niya, he'll just spend an extra day kasi bibisitahin niya yung lola tsaka lolo niya. Kasi alam niyo naman guys. So, tapos I think yung mama nga niya gustong makipagkita. But sabi ni Daddy Mike na medyo tight na yung time. And also, yung mama niya naman kasi ay pupunta dito next month kasi school holidays ni Ate Paris at alam niyo hindi yan siya absent sa mga school holidays ni Ate Paris. So sabi ni Daddy Mike, dito na lang tayo magkita next month. Yung prioritize niya talaga guys yung lolo tsaka lola niya kasi yun yung hindi nakakapagbiyahe. Hindi niya nakikita ba? Yeah. So si mami niyo ay solo parenting for 5 days kasi si Daddy Mike ay uuwi ng Saturday night pa ata. 4:36 ng hapon and kakapark ko lang sa labas ng school ni Ate Paris. So, nakita nyo kanina, pumunta tayo doon sa ating shop. Hindi ako masyadong nakapag-vlog kasi may music sila doon, guys. Kaya makaka-copyright tayo ba. Anyways, so yung last update nila sa akin, guys, Saturday. So, hindi ko alam kung nakabenta tayo Sunday. Kasi open sila from Wednesday to Sunday. Close Monday and Tuesday. So, nagdala ako ng mga, yung i-top up nga natin ng mga damit, just in case. And, yeah, thankfully, nakabenta pala tayo ng Sunday, guys. Tsaka, I think, this morning as well, I think. And while nandun ako, guys, naibenta natin yung isang jacket natin. And, yung nakabili, dalawa sila. Nag-iisip sila, guys, kung bibilhin nila kasi nga yung price. And then, kasi I think yung price was, naka 10% na yung mga paninda ko doon, guys. So, 110. Tapos, minus 10%. So, 100 na lang sana. And then, silang dalawa, nag-iisip sila na mag-share daw sila. Tapos, silang dalawa yung magsusuot. Parang naano yung heart ko, guys, ba? Kaya binigyan ko sila ng extra discount. Sabi ko, from 110, sabi ko, sige, if you like, hopefully, it will help you decide. You can have it for 85. So, binili nila, guys. Binili nila. So, that's good. I'm very happy about that. And then, now, yun nga, pick up natin kay Ate Paris. And, well, umuwi ako kanina, nung nandun ako sa bahay kanina, guys, dumating si Mamang Postman. Hindi ko na-open to kasi, tawag dito, nagmamadali na ako ba? So, meron tayong parcel na dumating from, this is from Japan. Ito ang kanyang packaging, guys. So, yeah. Shopping pa more. Ala, ang bilis lang yun yung tinat. Very easy ng ang packaging nila. Oh, okay. Ooh. Hindi ko to siya binili. Pa-free. Burberry na medyas. Ayan. Ito yung binili ko, guys. Louis Vuitton. Actually, meron akong ganito sa bahay, guys. I'm actually selling it. Pero, ito siya. Mas maganda yung kondisyon. It's the Louis Vuitton collaboration with Steven Sprouse. Limited edition to siya, guys, na scarf. Ganyan siya, oh. Leopard print. Tapos, meron siyang ganun. Ganyan. Louis Vuitton na pink yung printing. Tapos, wala. Nasa naman yun? Kita ba dyan, guys? Ay, baka madilim. Oh, that's better. Ayan yung kanyang tag. Louis Vuitton Paris. And then, yung kanyang, ayan. Wash tag. Di? Sabi, walang butas eh. Tingnan natin. May mga konti siyang run, ganun. Run the world. Pero, okay. Wala namang major. Tapos, may isa pa. This. Ito medyo, na siya. May dumi-dumi. But, it is the Louis Vuitton bundle. Or twilly, or scarf, however you wanna call this one. Ito yung trunks. Ayan, kanyang print. Mabilis lang to siya. Kapag in-steam to siya, babalik na to siya sa sa yung kanyang totoong anyo. Ayan, Louis Vuitton, and then the wash tag. Ayan, naka-Japan yan siya. So, I think this one, I'm not sure magkano kaya to siya ipa-dry clean. Kasi meron na siya mga libag-libag ba? Kasi yung mga binibili kasi ni Mami, guys. I'm really into pre-love, guys. And, kasi ang tawag dito, yung mas practical and also mas cheap. Diba? Like, ito siya. magkano ko ba to siya nabili? Basta, it will be like a fraction of the price of brand new. So, you know, bakit kailangan ko pang mag-brand new, di ba? Kung makakabili din naman ako ng pre-owned na maganda pa naman. So, ayan. And then, may mga pa-free. Anong pa-free? Yung, ano ba to siya? Panyo. Silk na panyo. Ganun. And then, may isa pa. May Gucci. Iba talaga yung may Gucci socks. And then, papaya gluta with collagen and placenta extract. Iba talaga. Ako na talaga ang puti nito, guys. Ayan.
Guys, Mommy just picked me up from school and we are going home now. So at school, we did some painting. That's why my color's just a little dirty. And also, we did some English. But the English, we draw the art and then we painted it after second break. And we also did dance, Japanese, and also we did math for assessment. I did so good. And we also did phonics, and that's all we did today. We'll see you at home or jiu-jitsu.
Hello, beautiful princess. How was school today?
Good.
Japan.
Yeah?
I miss you.
Miss you too.
I miss you, Ate.
Miss you too, Daddy.
How's your teeth, Ate? Is it coming out?
Yeah.
Cool. And where's Mama Bear?
She's right here.
Okay. Louis,
Hi,
do you
Mama
wanna
Bear.
join in?
Come here, boy.
Wait.
Hey! Hey! Come here! It's Daddy.
No, he can't see.
You can
Hello,
see
Louis.
Daddy. Say,
It's so cold, man.
Yeah, it's so cold here too.
don't you run in the cool.
It's freezing here.
You have, do you have heater?
But I can't. I'm gonna go sleep early because I tried to nap earlier today.
Daddy.
Yes, princess.
Daddy.
Weenie.
Daddy, 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 daddy.
Weenie, 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 weenie.
Ow. I didn't know he has a cat and a dog.
Is ka dog?
Mama,
Ayun guys. So, nakausap
Mama,
na namin ang
Mama.
aming Daddy Mike. Okay.
Mama,
Kami ay matutulog.
Mama. Cats do say meow.
Meow.
Not that voice.
What voice then?
It might be a monster
Me.
or anything.
Guys, kanina hindi na ako nakapag-vlog after kung pinik up sa Ate Paris sa school. So, pumunta kami sa jiu-jitsu class niya. Naiwan ko yung aking camera, so hindi ako nakapag-vlog. And then,
Mama?
pagkarating dito,
Mama?
mm,
Make sure I don't lay in the bed.
nilakad namin si Louie guys kasi madilim na nung after jiu-jitsu pinik up namin sa Baby Celine, tapos uwi kami. Sobrang dilim na kahit 5:30 pa. Madilim na, nilakad namin si Louie. Hindi na nakapag-vlog. Tapos nagluto ako ng dinner, kumain kami ng dinner. Ngayon pa lang. Yeah?
This one. This is her hand.
That's right. Watch TV for a bit and then lang nag toothbrush and all, 'di ba anak? School tomorrow?
Yeah. And also, I had my friends. I'm going big school. I'm going big school. Mama, make sure you get my real hat.
Yes.
No.
Where is it?
I think I don't have any more.
Oh, where did it go?
Mama,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yan na, we'll do shout
Mama?
out lang.
Mama, I think Mama,
Yes?
I think we should find my hat when it's morning.
Okay, we'll find it, okay? Anyways, guys, we were... Oh! Bless you. We will end the vlog here now, guys, kasi...
Can I say them?
Alam niyo bang 10 o'clock na? My
Can
God.
I say it?
Bukas, ang hirap na naman gisingin nito kay late na tulog.
10 o'clock now.
Yes, oh my goodness.
Can I say it?
Yeah, thank you guys for watching always. We appreciate your time. And yeah, we'll do a shout out. Anak, you can't read it lang because like, see, there's no space.
Just tell me.
Okay, just see if you can read it though. First one.
Where is it? Like,
Shout out to, that's their names there on top. There. Shout out to
Via Javian. Jameson.
Yes. Next one.
Thank you.
Peguarnes.
Requirements.
That one. Hayaan niyo siya guys kasi gusto niya talaga siya mag-shout out.
You did this one.
Mahirap kasi guys kasi yung mga pangalan walang space pa.
Or
Irene, anak ko, hanggang sa lang, really. Shout out to Irene Aliperio.
I really like
This one.
that.
Knock your hand lang, please.
Yes, Balano.
This
Oh.
one.
Lulu Rodelas.
Lulu Rodelas. This
Lulu
one. This one.
Yes. Belando.
Huh?
Leblando.
Yet Balino.
Leblino.
This one.
Carmelu.
Carmen Lu. Yes, you got that right.
Denali.
Delaney Prince.
Trinity Dante. Give me the easy
Eleanor
ones.
Tanutan.
Give me easy
This
ones.
one.
America Castinan.
Castaneda.
Castaneda.
This one.
Oh, Mercy. Nard.
Ginawang Naruto.
Sam.
Mercy Narito and
Sam.
Tita Carlos. Ayan. That's about it for today's
Tita
video,
Carlos.
guys. I hope that you enjoyed.
Wait,
Please don't forget to give this
forget.
video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Be careful. Bye.
bye.
Ow!